So we get this dirty old puppy off. Get this fresh out of the bath little fella here. Try him out, see if he works any better. This guy was no good.
He's got to go this time.
Yeah.
Run the double fuel pump still, or what?
Yeah, we'll try him at first.
See if he likes that or not.
The dual double. We'll give him right out here, probably. Neil, how's she doing? Pissed them off. Empty.
No fuels in them.
No.
It ain't got no gas in it.
No. What the fuck? How does that happen?
Why does it do that to us? Oh, we bleed her off one more time, maybe, just to make sure. Oh, look, it's spraying already. All that fuel down there is just assurance it'll burn to the ground if it does light on fire.
That's what we want.
I mean, we're only surrounded by trees and stuff.
Yeah. Only in the bushes. So might get rid of them ants over here finally.
Well, that'd be good too.
Miserable. Why is it so rude?
I don't know. I've never seen something so ignorant in my life.
Call, see if you can figure out what's wrong with this thing.
There, maybe.
You're definitely struggling a little bit for fuel there still, I think. Run her like half choke or something.
Fuck you, Sass, yeah. Smells
Sass.
like mouse piss, too.
Yeah, does it ever. Stinking old girl.
Weird, it never smelled like that before.
We might get her warm there. Maybe we could have just like choke her just a little bit.
Okay. Try that, maybe? Give her a little more.
That's pretty good. I think it likes that.
I think so.
Try moving her again. Whoa!
Did she spin?
What happened?
I don't know. Did it spin or slip the clutch?
I don't know.
Might have just slipped the clutch. Yeah, must have slipped the clutch.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no! Hunt here did turn.
It did.
So we just need a little bit more, a little more forward and backward action.
Yeah, I think she can get a rocket.
She might need a little bit of assistance.
But she runs good though.
But she's running now.
That's the best she ever ran right there.
Yeah, I think probably in like 20 or 30 years, probably.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta run her about 3/4 choke. Huh.
Oh, oh no, the battery didn't work because I never shut the key off. As level with the studs. That tire is flat, mind you, but that's some serious sinkage there.
There a couple times. I think he made the fan contact something there for a second.
That's why the crowd's all chewed out, because the motor mount is so bad.
Oh, that's right.
That makes sense. I think it was kind of good.
I don't know. I'll give it a few more tries.
Yeah.
To hook the whale to him.
I think so. It's a little too ignorant. That throttle pedal second, it don't help. I don't got a key anymore. I don't got an inside ignition.
Welcome to the whale.
That's twice now shutting her off by the so-called key though, so that's looking out for the old girl. This whole thing ain't been started in quite a while either. We getting old start.
She was starting to smoke there a little bit. I think she was starting to get some fuel, but
I was starting to run out of battery too. You can't get your finger all cogged up. It leaks like sieve.
a little too much sauce maybe. Fuck, that weren't that much.
That's okay though. We have other things we can use. So which one do we use? We couldn't get the Cummins going, so we'll pull them out with this old girl.
Ooh!
Front diff has had enough. This great big chain, swing set chain. Should do, I think.
Wrong.
My weld didn't break. My welded together link.
Is she in neutral?
Yeah, old girl is.
She'll pull her out without any help from the ramp truck?
I don't know, I might.
I don't even know how it managed to spin the front wheels after what's going on with that poor diff.
I know.
Oh, maybe all that noise was it was piling up in a good way.
Yeah, welding itself.
Yeah.
There we're going. Now we're cooking. Might need to get both going or something, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna have to probably do that.
We're gonna have a hell of a time trying to communicate.
Yeah, I know. Neither of these rigs have brakes either, do they?
No. Got the tractor up there. Same for the bucket. Okay. Got him out with a little bit of assistance from the little old Ranger that could. Gonna try to move him now under his own power. Took us 8 days and 7 nights to get that bad girl moved up the hill. You can just hear air pissing the whole time. Yeah, she's mobile.
Fuck yeah.
Like I said, it only took a little bit of messing around.
It seemed like it took more effort than it should have.
Yeah, a little bit. I think.
It's like a Ford thing or something.
We're gonna try. This is sea solid, I think. We're gonna try that. That'll probably fire right up, even though it's sea solid.
Definitely.
And then we got the old other Chevy over here that's probably seized too. That'll probably go too, no problem.
Hey, what was in that one?
That's 350, I think.
350?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll go. Yeah, this started going real good.
Yeah, she's pretty good now.
Yeah.
Like I say, we got certain secret mission to do with the sticky throttle, and then get that sorted out, and it'll be just like new one. Be able to take her to town.
Oh yeah.
Hang a headlight or two. Take her to town. We'll go do a recovery. Clean the bed off.
We might have to clean the bed off first.
Yeah. I don't know what we got in the toolbox.
Oh, look.
Fuck, what a good strap.
No, she's already decked out for recovery almost.
Yep.
Look at the body fill on that bed.
Yeah, she's got a little bit of body fill.
I think so. Body fill's a flatbed.
Yeah. She was, I think, judging by what previous owner said, this bad girl had been in movies and TV show and different things. So she had to be done up nice for the big screen.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, they had to have her looking good.
Yeah, had to have, you know, you gotta have her that thick, or else you ain't going to the movies. You ain't make her in the movies. Yeah, get all sorts of. Holy lifting, we knocked over the Cummins.
Oh.
I'm pretty surprised she drove herself right around.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Yeah, all flat tires.
All flat tires. Rear end falling out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't need a rear end.
Look at that U-bolt though.
Or the U-bolt it came with to repair that broken one.
You won't even die using that.
No, that'll keep everybody safe. Everybody on the road, everybody in their houses. Yeah, imagine this thing wailing through your fucking living room window, middle of the night. Oh, a little sour over here. It was big though.
The body fill over here too?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't know what to do with that. How to. I don't know how to go about. Like, do you try to save the style, or you just reenact a little bit to whatever?
I think she's like a full
reskin.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a little bit sassy.
I think she had a reskin back here at one point even.
Yeah, it might have a rear half. Yeah, she's missing about 6 feet here off the tail that it had originally too. And the next tail that goes on, I want to make it tilt. I think that'd be handy.
Oh yeah,
One of these. Something like that under the front. That'll sort her out.
yeah, definitely.
38s.
Oh, you gotta have 38s.
Yeah.
Everything just gets 38s now.